Hi guys! Welcome back to my kitchen, and for today I will be cooking pancit with vegetables. Alright, let's go straight away to the ingredients. First we have the noodles or the pancit. I have the broccoli. Yes, I will also use that bit there. I have carrots, shallots or sibuyas. I have pepper, garlic, onions, Malabar spinach. I'm also gonna be using Ligo sardines, ground black pepper, soy sauce, salt, vegetable oil, and I will also put a little bit of water. Let's start. I already preheated the pan, so I'm just gonna put some oil into it. You can use any vegetables with your pancit, guys, as long as you eat it, as long as you love the vegetables. Mix any kind of veggies that you love. Next to me. Okay, right at the center. So now we'll put first the garlic or ahos in our language. Onion next. Then this broccoli. And that's the stalks. Yes, my friend also uses this part of the broccoli. I don't want to waste it. This part of the broccoli. The salt. Tiny bit of ground black pepper. Soy sauce. The pepper, I'll add water, and cover it. Hey Google, set timer 3 minutes. Google's sleepy. Hey Google, set timer 3 minutes.
Sure, 3 minutes. Starting now.
So while waiting for 3 minutes, the plastic and get ready with our pancit. Yes, it's a product of the Philippines. I bought this in the international aisle in IGA. And ready. I will clean as I go. Hey Google, stop. Okay, now let's open this. Now I'm going to add the pancit. Uy. Now I'm going to add the carrots. Add the Malabar spinach or alugbati. As I said before, you can add any vegetables that you like. There's no rule. As long as you eat it and enjoy your food. Low heat for now. Now I'm going to add the Ligo sardines. Yum, look at that. And I'm going to turn it off. One more power. And the residual heat will be able to cook the rest of the veggies. Now I'm going to add the shallots or sibuyas on top of it. Beautiful. Now let's eat. So this is my kumquat. This is from Cindy and Rob. Guys, this will be my late lunch. Yummy. See, I'm really quiet. That means I'm hungry. I'm hungry and then the food tastes delish. I'd like to say shout out to my friends here in Australia, also doing YouTube. They also have YouTube channels. Rob and Jane TV, hi. Ati Miles Diary, hi. Sham Collier, how are you? The Stones Adventures, and of course, Zio Death Vlog. Also in the Philippines, hi. I have friends also doing YouTube from the Philippines. Jeline Charita, how are you? Pong Cheles, Lorena TV. Who else is there? Domingo Lifestyle. A lot of my friends doing YouTube these days. I just didn't have the list for now. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next vlog. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Bye.